Oh my God, there's nobody
here. So my husband, look at that. So now he opened his car. As you can see, nobody. This is my daughter car. That's my car over there. And this is my husband. Look at that. It's two guys. Say hi, honey. Leave me alone.
Come on.
Leave alone. Oh my God. No, Bache, get inside. She's gonna get sick. You can't even stand the coldness. Hey, get inside. Go. Bache, it's too cold. Go inside. Go. Go. Go inside now. Run. She's gonna get sick. Go inside, Bache. Go inside. Nah. Put her inside, huh? You put inside. You're gonna get sick. God, it's too cold. Whew. Look at me. I have no glass. Ay! Oh my God. I almost slide. There. Look at there. She is doing the thing. As you can see, mga inday. Ang attire ko, my, what do you call that? They are sleeping. I have double. Look at. Oh God. It's too cold. I can grab my hands. I have allergy of ice or whatever snow is. Look at the wind. Mag-i-slide, skating na lang ta. Mag-skating, mag-sliding na lang. Guys, we have no one there mag-sliding car. There. Hurry up. Laluman. Pwede mag-slide. Iahak. Naunsa naman eh. Ba't nagkatawas ng bana? Bukan kayo ko eh. Slowly. Pwede bang kaot? Ang init. Di pwede mag-sliding, lalo man. Di pwede Di pwede mag-sliding, lalong kaayo. Tanawa, lalo man. Oh my God. Ano? Naunsa na na eh. Pero my husband. Siya, honey. Kami lang dalawa dito. Nag-ano-ano. Natulog pa yung mga anak ko. See, what's up?
What's up, bro?
There's nobody in here. Oh my God, look at that. Di pwede mag-skating. Why is that sliding, honey? Why is it not gonna slide? It's nice, different one. Probably because it's very deep. Huh? Careful. Oh my God, I can stand here. See, as you can see, mga inday. Tingnan mo yung mga neighborhood, ang kalsada, puro snow na lang. Tingnan, wala. Kapag snow, lahat ng mga tao naglumlum sa balay. Yan. Ako lang yata nakalabas dito pat asawa ko. Kasi ginapaandar niya mga sakyanan. To make sure na hindi magdadrive pa yan. Buti na lang, holiday. What is holiday today? Doy, what kind of holiday, honey? President? Today is holidays, no work for the government. Today is President Day. So kaya, pasalamat na lang nandito. Ano, tingnan mo pine tree ko. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Mag-slide sana ko, hindi man pwede. Hindi pwede, sakay ako dito, oh. Yan, tayo. Hindi man po pwede mag-slide. Hindi pwede i-stack. Mag-snow. Snowman. Gagawa ako ng snowman. Lamig. Lamig. Uy, ginoo ko, di ko stand. I can stand. Derek, build a snowman. Why? Oh, it's too soft? Oh, my husband said it. She said that thing is too soft. So can't build the snow. Why American? Yeah, it's too soft. The snow is too soft. We can't do anything as snowman. When I put like that, when I do like trying to build, it's blowing because of the wind is too cold and whew. Oh my God, I go inside because I can't. I have 2 jeans, 2 socks, boots, 2 jackets, and my bathrobe. So this is my pine tree. So this life in Texas, this is twice happened this year. I don't know when, but right now it's low like have a sun coming out, but it's windy. Probably if it stops snowing until today, maybe gonna melt right away. It is coming. Is it still snowing, honey? Huh? She said maybe 2 or 3 days. Look at my husband. He did that long time in Michigan. He from Michigan. He used to the weather up there. Oh my God, my hands. Ow. Why you didn't buy yourself up? We used to have a lot of. Oh my God. My car is open too? Yeah. How was Marianne? She said, don't do it. Oh my God. Wait, careful. Imagine how thick the snow. Mga Inday have, as you can see. How many inches you think?
Maybe 4.
My husband said 4 inches the snow. See? So all the 3 cars, he on it. Oh my God, look at that. Look at the wind. Where is the shelf? I think this shelf is easy. So my husband said I can make a snowman because of the snow is look like very powder. Imagine. What this kind of snow, honey? It's slick too? It's slippery? No? Not really? When you drive, it's no problem? Honey, when you drive, it's no problem?
It should be
the bad. So look this. Oh my God. Imagine. Mm. Oh. Woo. Oh. I go inside. I can't start. My hand is like swollen and red. I'm going to the back. Anne, the back is open? Is this the back? The back, the gate is open? Huh? Okay. I will try to cut in my back. Oh no. Okay, my day. So this is the problem with the winters.